struggling to communicate with your team members over Slack? Do you wish that when you have a call with them, you can simply recap them on what you just went through in your one-on-ones? Well, I wish the exact same thing. However, it's not that easy when you're trying to manually take notes, write things down, and then you just want to send the message afterwards. But after the meeting ends, you get distracted by another meeting and another meeting, then you have to go eat lunch. And by the end of that whole sequence of events, you have nothing but zero energy in order to go and send all these messages to people about how the meetings went. Now, for me, I would usually just avoid it and not actually follow up with them over Slack. But lucky for us here at Tactiq, we're able to provide a solution that works. And this solution comes through our amazing Chrome extension. It's a really simple and effective and easy tool to use. Whether you're talking through Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom, Tactiq has the ability to transcribe everything that is being said, and all that information ends up getting added to a transcript and a system that is really easy to manage. So as you can see, everything that is being said right now is being transcribed. I can take even small notes on the side. I can take screenshots. I can stop and start this meeting, and I can even annotate these different parts of what's being said and take notes on them. I can move this around wherever I want, and simply put, it's the best transcription software out there. It's so easy to use. All you need to do is download and install the Chrome extension onto any of the browsers that you'd be using. I use Microsoft Edge. It's a Chromium-based browser, so it'll work. And then after you finish your call and you end it, you are brought to a page like this one that showcases the amount of time that you spent on the call, the entirety of the transcript, and has a bunch of AI tools like detailed summary and action items, and a myriad of other custom prompts that are made by Tactiq and that you can add to yourself. As you can see, it tells me a quick summary of what occurred and gives me some action items. I can also ask specific questions in a custom prompt right here, but a lot of times I don't have time to go through all that, right? And not only that, we talked about connecting it to Slack, right? So how would I take all this great power and move it in a way that sends quick messages to Slack? Well, you can see this pretty easily. All you need to do is go to the workflow section inside of Tactiq, and from there, you would click on New Workflow. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna show you a quick one-on-one, as mentioned earlier, and how one-on-one meeting notes are very common. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and change the name to one-on-one meeting notes and put a parentheses for Slack. So as you can see here, what this does is it essentially figures out the step-by-step concerns that occurred between the direct report and the manager here. And then at the end, this says save to space. Now I can save it to a space, but I actually want to send it to a Slack channel. And how I can do that is simply press a plus sign here and share to an integration. So I can go into Slack right here. And after I've already signed into the account, I can type in any channel, like for example, leadership, say for example, it's a leadership chat or anything like that. So for example, I'm just gonna do the channel that would be to my preference. And it says right here, if you can't find a channel, how you would necessarily do it. So you just have to make sure that you follow the following steps where you essentially would invite the channel to have the Tactiq bot. I'm just gonna do tasks upkeep services here. And all you would do was you'd simply grab the step that you'd want, right? So this step would be formatted text here of the following. And in that formatted text, what I can do is after I press save, is I can go into the specific meeting. So after you end a call, a meeting will automatically open inside of Tactiq. And then literally all I need to do to share it with the person that is needed is I can do it in like a public channel or something. I can just click meetings and notes right here. And what it'll do is it'll go through that sequence of prompts right here. You can see it in the activity. It's going through it right now, where it's getting this one-on-one, figuring out the different issues that came up in the one-on-one and addressing them. And then from there, sending it to the Slack channel. So as you can see, this is the direct report and managers back and forth regarding their concerns. And in all of these little steps, all it's doing is it's gonna copy it basically and send it to that channel inside of Slack. I know it's successful because there's this little green dot and it sent the data here. And as you can see, it sends it directly to this channel with everything that you need. So with that being said, I hope you all appreciate how easy this was and how you can utilize it so simply inside of your own workflows. If you like this video and want to learn more about how to utilize Tactiq workflows, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that we can keep you updated on every new piece of content we produce. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.